Okay, student. Before video, we are explain polynomials. What is the polynomial and define the degree of the polynomials and term of the polynomials. So three type of polynomials: mononomial, binomial, trinomial, and linear polynomial, quadratic and cubic polynomials. And next topic explain before video coefficient related question. So okay student, solve the exercise 2.1. Solve the exercise 2.1. First question, write the given following expression are polynomials. First question is 4x square minus 3x plus 7. Okay student, this is the polynomials. The variable x to the power 2. So this is the polynomial. This is polynomial. Which polynomial? Quadratic. This is quadratic polynomials. Okay student, question number 2. Y square plus root 2. So this is the polynomials because the power of the variable is 2, means non-negative integer. This is a polynomial. Which type of polynomial? Quadratic polynomial. Question number 3. 3 root t plus t root 2. 3 root 2. Polynomials is always not defined. The root t to the power 1 by 2. When 1 by 2 is not integral part. So 1 by 2 is not integral, means 1 by 2 is not belongs to natural number. Then this is not a polynomial. This is not a polynomial. Question number 4. Y plus 2 upon y. This is polynomial student. Y plus 2 into y to the power minus 1 means minus 1 is not positive integral part. So minus 1 is not a positive integral part. Then this is not polynomials. Okay student, this question related to the first question. First is quadratic polynomial because the power of the variable is also non-negative integer. This is the polynomial, quadratic polynomial. The power of the variables is 2. Then quadratic polynomial. This is not a polynomial. Polynomials is also not define the root of variables, and the power of the variables is negative, is not define the polynomials term. Okay student, question number 2. In exercise 2.1 NCERT books, write the coefficient of x square. So first video we are explain what is the coefficient. Coefficient is multiple of the variables term, is also defined the term of coefficients. Write the coefficient of x square in which term. The first question is 2 plus x square plus x. Define the coefficient. The coefficient of x square. The coefficient of x square is 1. Next question, coefficient of x square, question number 2. Coefficient of x square is also represent -1, means 2 minus 1 into x square plus x cube. To find the coefficient of x square is equal to -1, student. Next question, pi by 2 into x square plus x. Define the coefficient of x square. Give the answer, student. Coefficient of x square is pi by 2. Next question, root 2 into x minus 1. Coefficient of x square. Okay, student, this polynomial is not defined the quadratic polynomial. This is the linear polynomial, when the coefficient of x square is also 0. Okay, student, write them. Okay, student, question number 3, NCERT book, exercise 2.1. Given one example related to the polynomials. So given one example, each of binomials means two term of the polynomials is called binomial of degree 35. So given the example is binomials. So suppose the degree is 35, x to the power 35 plus 1, or 3x to the power 35 minus 5 is also. Okay, student, both terms define the binomials. Next, and of a mononomial of degree is 100. This is very important question. Mononomial term and degree of the variable is 100. The next example, in mononomial form, x to the power 100, 2x to the power 100, or 3 by 2 y to the power 100. If any terms, each term is defined the mononomial term. So write the student, question number 3. Next question is, student, question number 5th. Classify the following as linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial, or the cubic polynomial. The given question is also defined which equation, which polynomials is called linear, quadratic and cubic. Okay, student, linear polynomials we are defined 1 degree of one variable is called linear polynomial, 2 degree of one variable is called quadratic, and 3 degree of one variable is called cubic polynomial. The first question is, this polynomial is given, the power, maximum power of the variable is 2, highest power is 2. So then this polynomial is called quadratic polynomial because the degree of x is 2. The degree of x is 2. Next question, student. This is the maximum degree of the variable is 3. This is cubic polynomial. And the degree of x is 3. Next question, student. Y plus y square plus 4. The y is the variable and maximum power of the polynomial is 2. So then this polynomial is quadratic polynomial. Degree of y is 2. Next question, student. This is 1 plus x. X is variable and the maximum power of the variable is 1. This is called linear polynomial. Linear polynomial. Degree of x is 1. Next question student, 3t. 3t single term is called mononomial, but we are defined the condition linear, quadratic and cubic. Then t is the variable, the maximum power is the variable is 1. So this is linear polynomial. The maximum power of t is 1. Next question is 7x to the power cube. X is variable and power is 3. So this is cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomials. The degree of x is 3. Okay student, write the each and every questions. 2.1 first exercise is complete. Next video we are defined zeros polynomial related to the exercise 2.1. Okay student, write that. Okay student, next exercise 2.2, define the zeros of a polynomials. Very important topic. Zeros of a polynomials. Polynomials is also denoted by px. Suppose a polynomial px is equal to ax plus b. Ax plus b. The zeros of the polynomials, let's suppose px is equal to 0. Then ax plus b is equal to 0. Ax is equal to minus b and x is equal to minus b by a. If x is equal to minus b by a, put in px, then p x is equal to minus b by a is equal to a into minus b by a plus b. Okay student, a cancel is equal to minus b plus b, and minus b plus b is equal to also 0, hence proved. X is equal to minus b by a is zeros polynomials of given polynomial px. So this is very important student. When the given the root of x is equal to minus b by a, put the polynomials px, then px is equal to 0, is called x is equal to minus b by a is called zeros polynomials of px. Okay student, write them. Okay student, first question related to the exercise 2.2, find the value of the polynomial. Find the value of the polynomials of 5x minus 4x square plus 3. 5x minus 4x square plus 3 is the given polynomial. Which type of polynomial? Quadratic polynomial. Then px is equal to 5x minus 4x square plus 3. This equation first. And the value of the point x is equal to 0 first, second x is equal to minus 1 and x is equal to 2. The first at x is equal to 0, put equation first. X is equal to 0, put equation first. P x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0, put in equation first. So 5 into 0, 4 into 0, 5 into 0 minus 4 into 0 square plus 3. 5 into 0, 0 minus 0 plus 3 is equal to 3. The value of the polynomial at x is equal to 0 is 3. Number 2 question student. At point x is equal to minus 1, put equation first. Okay student, put px is equal to minus 1 in equation first. This equation 5 into minus 1 minus 4 minus 1 का square plus 3. 5 1 जा minus 5 minus 4 minus 1 का square 1 1 जा 1 plus 3 minus 5 minus 4 plus 3. -9 plus 3. Okay student, -9 plus 3 -6. The value of polynomial at x is equal to -1 is -6. Next question number 3. Third is at x is equal to 2. Put equation first. Okay student, p x is equal to 2 is equal to 5 into 2 minus 4 2 का square plus 3. 5 2 जा 10 minus 4 2 2 जा 4 plus 3. 10 minus 16 plus 3. 13 minus 16 is equal to also minus 3. The value of polynomials at x is equal to 2 is 3. Okay student, write them. Next question student, question number 2, exercise 2.2. Find the value of p0, p1 and p2. p0, p1 and p2 means the given polynomial in form of py is equal to y square minus y plus 1 and px is equal to x minus 1 into x minus 2. Find the value of each and every polynomials at the point p0, p1 and p2. Okay student, so first put the value of, to find the value of p0, p1 and p2 at the given polynomial py is equal to y square minus y plus 1 and py is equal to x minus 1 into x plus 1. So first this question, find the value of p0, put the polynomial 0 square minus 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. So the value of polynomial at point 0 is equal to 1. Next p1, y is equal to 1 and y is equal to 0 at the polynomial. So y is equal to 1, 1 का square minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 1 minus 1 plus 1. 1 1 cancel is also equal to 1. Next student, py is equal to 2. 2 का square minus 2 plus 1. 2 2 is 4 minus 2 plus 1. 4 1 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. Okay student. Next question, px is equal to x minus 1 and x plus 1. First p0, put at point p x is equal to 0 of the given polynomial. 0 minus 1, 0 plus 1. Minus 1 into 1 is also equal to minus 1. Next, put p x is equal to 1 of the given polynomial. X is equal to 1 minus 1, 1 plus 1. 1 minus 1, 0 into 2 is also equal to 0. The value of px is equal to 1 is equal to 0. Next, put px is equal to 2 in the given polynomial. So 2 minus 1, 2 plus 1. 1 into 3 is also equal to 3. The value of polynomial at point x is equal to 2 is equal to 3. So okay students, solve the exercise 2.2 related to the question first and second. Write down.